14 minus 10 to the power of 3 plus 16 divided by 8 times 3 minus 10 plus 4. So, gagamitin natin ang PEMDAS para hindi tayo malito sa pag-solve ng ganitong expression. So, PEMDAS, letter P, ibig sabihin, uunahin ang parentheses. Ito ay tinatawag na parentheses. So, uunahin isolve ang nasa loob ng parentheses. E for exponent, katulad nitong 3, ito ay tinatawag na exponent. Multiplication, division, pwede silang magkabaliktad. Kung nauna ang division, pwedeng unahin kaysa multiplication. Addition, subtraction, ganun din. As long as hindi nauuna ang addition, subtraction kaysa multiplication, division, at hindi sila nauuna kaysa parentheses and exponents. So, parentheses muna, 14 minus 10, that is 4 to the power of 3 or 4 cube. Plus, kopyahin lang natin, 16 divided by 8 times 3 minus 10 plus 4. So, 4 to the power of 3 or 4 cube, ibig sabihin yan, that is 4 times 4 times 4. So, 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. So, 4 cube is 64 plus 16 divided by 8 times 3 minus 10 plus 4. So, now, after tapos na natin yung parentheses, na-solve na rin natin ang exponent. Next is multiplication or division. So, dahil mayroong division dito, so 64, kopyahin lang natin, plus 16. So, i-divide muna natin ang 16 divided by 8, that is 2, times 3 minus 10 plus 4. So, next natin ay ang multiplication. So, 2 times 3 muna, that is 6 minus 10 plus 4. So, ang natira na lang ay ang addition and subtraction. So, pwede, again, tulad ng sabi ko, katulad ng multiplication at division, pwede lang silang magka-interchange. So, kaya addition and subtraction, dire-diretso na tayo sa pag-solve. So, 64 plus 6, that is 70, minus 10, 60, plus 4, 64. So, ang final answer natin ay 64.